Hey there, beautiful people. Now we are continuing our subject about how to begin your self-work, and we already talked about the beginning, writing your story, or at least going over it. I gave you some advices about how to do that and give yourself time while you're doing these things and going over your story. And yesterday I mentioned 3 feelings that we all have and are quite, what do you say, will come up when you begin to looking into your story. That was shame, sarcasm, and criticism. I wanted to remind you today that not all of this is bad. This is hard work, yes, and it can be painful and probably will, but there's joy also, and in the end you will be free from those problems that are maybe having big effect on your life today, and for others not so big, and it just depends on who we are and how we are and all of kind of things. Today I want to remind you, like other days, to always be grateful. It's such an important thing to find something, like I have said before. It doesn't matter how small it is, just be thankful for something. Like I said, some days it's enough just to be thankful for waking up, and it's really good thinking routine, to always see the day after today as a new beginning, because it is. We only live here in this moment. So yesterday is gone and tomorrow hasn't arrived. So we only have what we have here and now. And I can tell you from my own personal experiment that this has saved me a lot of times. Sometimes the only thing that got me through the hard times was just knowing that the only thing that doesn't stop in this world is the clock. She is always ticking. So it doesn't matter how hard your day is, it will finish. And then you will go to sleep and wake up the next day, and hopefully for you it is a new beginning. So it's a very good routine thinking to think like that. It can get you through a lot of hard times days. Another thing, now we have gone through to be grateful and the routine thinking that new day, new beginning, new start, and try to find joy in what you are doing, and trying to look at what you are doing with your self-work and all the things that you are working on around that, like you are doing something that's going to give you in the end something that is really good, and it will, I promise you. That's it for today, people. Thank you, and you're welcome, and until next time, be light and love with you. Bye bye.